If you've ever accidentally deleted photos or videos from an SD card on Mac, or that SD card is now showing completely empty, then you're in the right place, because I'm about to show you how you can recover those deleted photos and videos from that SD card on Mac. Step by step, and all while using a process that is actually surprisingly simple. You never want to use any other tool besides this one. And yes, this also works if you formatted the SD card by mistake, or that it's simply showing a raw file system error. So before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check the link in the description below so you can get a free trial on the tool that we are about to use today. Now, let's get into the video. So before we begin with any recovery process, let's first understand why this happens in the first place, because understanding the problem makes it so much easier to then solve the issue. Let's say that your Mac accidentally deleted some files that you've just uploaded into the system, or that by mistake you formatted an SD card, or even that you've emptied the recycle bin without realizing that there were files in that bin that you still needed. Well, in all these cases, almost always the files are still physically there. All you need is the right tool to help you find them again. And this also includes sudden power failures while transferring files to your computer, or even corrupted files in the SD card itself. All of these can still be found, once again, using the right tools. And all you need for this recovery process is an SD card, either plugged in directly into your Mac's card slot or via a USB card reader. Then you'll also need Wondershare Recoverit. Now the link is in the description down below. Once again, go grab it now and try it for free. This supports macOS 10.10 all the way up to macOS 15 Sequoia and handles over 1,000 file types, including photos, videos, documents, and also audio. So let's first open Recoverit on your Mac, and on the left sidebar, you'll see hard drives and locations. So let's click that. Your SD card will appear as a listed device. So select it and click Start to begin scanning. Now Recoverit runs a quick scan first, which just takes a couple of seconds, and then automatically transitions into a deep scan if needed, which reassembles scattered file fragments to dig much deeper for deleted or corrupted data. While the scan runs, you can actually browse and preview files in real time, so no need to wait. Filter by file type, photos, videos, documents to find what you need much faster. And once you spot your files, select them, click Recover, and then save them to your Mac's internal drive. Do not back into the same SD card where you lost the files to avoid any overwritten problems. And that was it. Super easy with 4 steps. Select the SD card, scan it, preview the files, and then recover them. Now you can download Wondershare Recoverit using the link in the description down below, and you can try it for free for up to 500 megabytes. And as you can see, data recovery on Mac doesn't have to be stressful, whether that's a formatted SD card, deleted photos from a client shoot, and so many other examples. Recoverit has you covered. Now, if this video helped you by any means, then please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos just like this. It really helps the channel out. And also, if you have any other issues Mac related, then please drop it in the comments down below. We'll respond as soon as possible. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.